Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we will see how to change account in Pixel Gun 3D. So let's open the app and go to the settings. Now, there you will see plenty of icons, but the easiest way to change your account in Pixel Gun is to simply go to your app store and click on your profile, then simply log out of your current Apple ID. Now again log in back to the Apple ID with which you want to play the Pixel Gun game. So simply put on your new ID and visit the Pixel app again. There on the first icon, you will see account transfer or deletion option. Just tap on request action with an account. Once you tap on it, you will get a mail, and all you have to do is click on the mail that you have received from the Pixel app and then continue with the procedure that it asks you to. And that's it. After following these steps, you can simply change your account in Pixel Gun 3D. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. In case of any queries or recommendations, feel free to reach out to us through the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.